Good morning, dear children. Here I am Arundhati ma'am teaching you science in your class. We are doing chapter number 4 of science of the insects. So last day we discussed about the usefulness of some insects as well as the harmful insects also. Today we are going to study in details how to deal with the harmful insects so that they cannot prevent the steps of the harmful effects of the insects. How to deal with them we have to learn by the various steps. But before we go on in discussing it in details, we are going to study some very important effects of the insects. They say some insects may be harmful to us, but they are important in nature. For example, bees are very important for many plants to produce the fruits and the seeds. Termites turn fallen woods into soil and also turn the soil. Some insects are food for larger animals such as lizards and birds. So all insects, those who are harmful, may be useful to the environment or may be needed by the other animals and birds very much. For a few examples are given over here. First one is the bees. The bees, if they sting us, we get a very painful bite and it gives us a lot of allergy and pain also. But it is the bees who collect the honey, and in this process they help in the pollination and the production of the fruits and the seeds. Then comes the termites. Termites, we feel that the termites are very harmful because they eat up the roots of the trees as well as they eat the wood of the furniture, the doors and windows. They eat up the wood, damaging them totally. But the termites do also do other good things also. The wood which falls from the tree, the rotten woods which falls from the tree, it is the termites who eat them up and turn them into soil, help them to get mixed up with the soil. Also it turns the soil, means it fertile, makes the soil fertile. It upsides down the soil, making it fertile so much. Some insects like the flies and mosquitoes are very harmful because we have seen that the mosquitoes they give us a lot of, they transmit a lot of diseases like the malaria, the dengue and chikungunya and so on. Flies gives the food poisoning and others, but they are the food for the lizards and the birds, lizards, frogs. The frogs, they mainly frogs mainly eat the mosquitoes and the flies. So they are helpful for the environment. Now there are the various methods of keeping the insects away. First is to keep our surroundings clean and disinfected. First way to keep the insects away, especially the harmful insects away, is to keep our surroundings and our house clean and disinfected by spraying the disinfectant, cleaning it. Second one, to make sure that the drains in and around your house are closed. This will stop the cockroaches from spreading. So if the drains are open, the cockroach will breed and they will come out and spread all over. Whereas if they are closed, the cockroach will stop spreading.